Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7. Welcome to your lecture of English. This is your teacher Aisha Salim. I hope that you all are doing well at your homes and you all have enjoyed your Eid holidays very well. So let's start our video lecture of today. Today we are going to do the remaining part of our English summer vacation homework. There are 6 pages. Let's start from page number 10. Okay, so on page number 10 you can see that there are some synonyms, and the command is that you all have to write at least 2 synonyms for each word. Okay, so first of all, what is a synonym? I hope that you all must have familiar with synonyms and antonyms also, as you have done it many times in your previous classes. So synonyms, here is a small definition in this picture here. Synonyms are words with the same meanings for almost the same or almost the same meaning. Okay, so synonyms are the words that have same meanings. In short, you can see that these are the meanings of the particular word. Okay, so now here are 12 words and you all have to write 2 synonyms for each, and first one has been done for you: funny, jolly and humorous. Okay, then there are 11 more: pretty, mad, scared, honest, intelligent, raised, annoyed, protect, tried, scar and thick. Okay, let's moving towards forward to antonyms. Antonyms are opposites of synonyms. Okay, and here is a small definition. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. So you can see that antonyms are opposites, and you can say that antonyms are opposites. Okay, so first one has been done for you, and the command is write an antonym of each word. First one is done. Same, different, and there are 11 more: useful, enough, proper, happy, wealthy, fast, huge, rapidly, increase, ahead and severe. So you all have to write only one antonym for each. Okay students, let's do this. Now here is a letter. Write a letter to your friend remembering your favorite memories together. Students, you all have to write a letter to your friend, and in that letter you all have to remember your favorite memories with your friends. Okay, and I hope that you can write the pattern of letter as we have done it in class also. You have to start from the left side of this page, and you have to write examination hall, comma, and then city ABC, then the date. Okay, then you all have to write dear friend, and then you have to start your letter. Okay, and in the end you all have to write on the right side of the page your sincerely or your affectionately, and then your name. Don't write XYZ, write your name at the end. Now here is the exercise of adverbs, and here is this short definition of adverb. An adverb describes or gives more information about a verb, adjective or an other adverb. And here are some examples also. A verb: he drove slowly. Now slowly is an adverb and it's a verb. Okay, then he drove a very fast car. Very is an adjective and it is indicating the car. Okay, so another adverb: she moved quite slowly down the aisle. Quite is an adverb. Okay students, so here is a word bank also, and here are 10 sentences. You all have to choose a suitable adverb for particular blank, and use an adverb from this word bank only once. आपने एक ही दफ़ा आपने एडवर्ब को यूज़ करना है. ओके. Complete the following blanks with suitable adverbs. I have dashed finished the task. I have almost finished the task. Okay. He is dash clever. He is so clever. Dash, I think I should take a long break. Perhaps I think I should take a long break. Okay. So students, 3 are done by me and others will be done by your own self. Do it. And moving towards next slide, here are 2 exercises on page number 14 and 15, and it is of conjunction. Conjunction is a part of speech that connects 2 words, sentences, phrases or clauses. I have explained very well about the sentences, phrases and clauses. Okay, so in the physical classes. So here are some examples. I ate the pizza and the pasta. You can see that and is a word, and is a conjunction, and it's a word which is connecting the 2 sentences or phrases. Okay. Call the meeting then when you are ready. Now when is a conjunction and it is also connecting the 2 clauses. 2 and 2 make 4, and is a conjunction, and you can see it is connecting this sentence. So now here is the exercise of conjunction. Fill in the blank with suitable conjunction selecting from the list. Here is the word bank, and you all have to use these conjunctions only once in these blanks. Think carefully before you speak. Dash, you try, you will not succeed. Unless you try, you will not succeed. He is not angry, dash, they have cheated him. He is not angry, but they have cheated him. Okay student, so 3 are done by myself, others will be done by your own self. And the last page is of preposition, and the preposition describes that where, when, who or what is happening. So here is an exercise. There are 3 options in every sentence. You all have to choose the perfect one. Okay, and write in the blank. Fill in the blank with suitable preposition from the brackets. He has not written to me dash many months, for many months. Okay, we got this dash the bookshop. We got this from the bookshop. They walked dash the post office. They walked to the post office. Okay students, other sentences will be done by our own self, and our summer vacation homework has completed now. That's all for now. I hope that you all have done your summer vacation homework very neatly, and I hope that these videos are very helpful for you all regarding your summer vacations. So thank you so much everyone. Take care of yourself. Stay safe at your homes. Allah Hafiz.